Hello, this is Marcus back with another QuickBooks Online quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to enter in credit card charges. It's fairly simple. It's just like entering in any other expense, except for there's one little change. So to enter in credit card charges, you want to go to plus new at the top left here, and you want to go to expense. And then you want to choose who you paid. So let's just say we paid Chin's Gas and Oil. The vendor already got in here. And then we're just going to say, and then you're going to click on payment account and you're going to go to one of your credit cards on here. So in this case, I'm going to go to Visa. And then the payment date is going to be the date that you paid for, in this case, automobile fuel. We're going to say it's today. And we're going to say payment method. We're just going to go to Visa again. This is not important really. This is the most important part because this is where it's going to get pulled from in the account. So you don't technically have to fill this in or reference number or tags, but if you want to, you can. But I'm just going to leave this blank because I don't have to enter this in, just to keep it simple. This is automobile fuel, and then we're just going to say this is $60. And then we're just going to go to save and close. And that's it. That's how you enter in a credit card charges. Fairly simple, fairly easy, not too bad. Go to expense and just choose what credit card you are paying the expense with. So if you have any other questions, just reach out to me in the comment section. Like I said, I've been using QuickBooks for a long time. I'm going to be making a lot of videos. Please hit the subscribe button because, I want to make sure you guys are getting all this QuickBooks information. I know just about everything there is to know about QuickBooks, but I will see you in the next video.